Now we're going to start making the centerpiece for the wooden dummy. Choose a log that has been dried out for at least 2 years. This one has been lying around for 3 years or over 3 years, so that's pretty good. Should be nice and dry now. First off, we're going to start with cutting off the ends so we get these cracks and whatnot off. Don't cut it off in the exact length, but have about 20-30 centimeters more. We're going to use a normal chainsaw for this. Now we've cut it off in both ends, we're going to start use a power planer to get it round. So we'll plane it off, see if we can get it fairly round with the power planer. Now I'm finished with one of the ends, 21 centimeters in diameter. Just needs a bit more at the other end. As you can see, we're not quite there yet. You need about a centimeter. Now we've used the power planer as much as we can, and I'm now going over to use a belt sander to get the finish nice and smooth. Now we've finished with the sanding, and we'll start with marking the timber now. Now we're going to start marking the timber. Now choose a side, or select a side that needs to be your front. Choose this very carefully. Now we'll start marking the center line. Now we'll mark the center and do that in both ends. Then you take your level it off and make a line like this. You do that in both ends, and then you use, well, anything that's straight and connect the two lines. And now you just connect them all the way around. So we need to start doing the other bit. Find the center line again. And this time we'll use a square. So we'll use this and just mark it up that way. Once you've done this, you just extend it all the way through, like this. Once you've done that, you connect the lines again, and we have like 4 similar quarters here. Now we'll make a couple of lines to help us find the right angle. Now we're going to use one of these to get the right angle on the arms. First we make 1, then we make 2. The degrees out to this one and that one from the center line can be anything between 14 and 18 degrees depending on what style of Kung Fu you're doing. When we have done that in both ends, we connect the line same as before. Now we've connected all the lines, we have our center line, and this is the center of where the 2 arms will come out of the timber. Now I've connected them all the way through. You don't really need that, but I haven't decided which end will be top and which end will be bottom. So you connect the lines same way at the bottom, so you got 2 similar sides, like this. Now you need to be very thorough with your markings. Better spend half an hour longer on it and doing it right than making a mistake here, because a mistake at this point will not be very good at the end. So this is the first tape.